Guten Tag. ¿Cómo se va? Wie geht's? Do you feel good? Yeah, I bet you do. It's your old pal B. Ernest, Anus. Word of the day. The word of the day is flaneur. If you know what flaneur means, type that in the comments below. Flaneur. It's a noun, and it means an idler or a lounger. So it's like a person, I think, an idler. He left his trip itinerary open, so he could be a bit of a flaneur and take a few days to relax. I see. So he left his diary open. After taking too many After taking too many excessively long lunch breaks, she got a reputation as a flaneur. Oh, French. Yeah, that does sound French, doesn't it? That was a mot du jour. If it's wrong, please comment.